Welcome back to What Is This Thing? And today, we have another thing for you to ponder. What is this? This legend is one of 337 ever built. So count your lucky stars if you ever see one on the road. Now this beauty's packing a whopping 2.8 liter twin turbocharged flat six. From factory, it was pushing out 444 horsepower. Those are some big numbers for the 80s. Now Porsche lost money on every single one of these they made, but it was the fastest road legal car of its generation. So if you said the DMC Delorian, boy were you wrong. This is a Porsche 959. Bred for the rally, built for the road. A legend in its own right. There wasn't anything like it then, and there hasn't been anything quite like it since.